High temperatures right around 90 for the next 7 days. You know, one day's 91, one day's 89, one day's 90, but we'll be right around, and that's the average for this time of year. You know, just because you get that first little taste of drier air doesn't mean that summer's over down here in Central Florida. No, our average high is still 90 degrees. Rain chances slowly on the rise. They've been down on 10%, maybe 15% today. However, by the weekend, especially the second half of the weekend, they'll rise back up to about 40%. And we need that because we're about 3 inches of rain below normal just for the month of September. Two areas of interest in the tropics. The first one, which is the one we've been focusing on, that one's eventually going to turn north and out to sea. The second one just came off the coast of Africa. So 10 to 12 days from now, we'll keep an eye on it. 71 degrees in Brooksville, 65 in Ocala. You get to Citrus County, everybody northward, you've got temperatures in the 60s for you this morning. So very, very nice. To the south in the 70s. And watch how slowly the humidity is beginning to creep back in. Not terrible yet, dew points in the upper 60s, but they'll get back into the mid 70s by the weekend. Today, almost exactly like yesterday, mixture of clouds and sunshine. We're going to slowly bring it up to about that 90, 91 degree mark. And then there'll be a few isolated showers and storms. But if you look and you say, well, I mean, this is one of those flip a coin, kind of few and far between deals. So if you get underneath one of these quick little showers, consider yourself lucky because most of us won't. Notice though, South Florida, they're sitting in that deep, deep tropical moisture. They're going to get a good round of rain again down around the Everglades, down to Miami. And then the same thing again for tomorrow. And I think even around here tomorrow, we're going to run into a point where we get, you know, a few extra clouds to roll in here as well. But the rain chances themselves don't return to normal until we get closer to the weekend. Here are the two disturbances I was mentioning. The first one, easily going to be a depression, if not a storm. The second one, down here, it's just coming off the coast of Africa. Your eyes are drawn to this yellow shaded area. What the Hurricane Center does is it shows you where the disturbance is right now. See that little yellow X? It's right there. This is where they think it could develop. Okay, somewhere in this yellow shaded area, as that'll kind of head to the west from there. So two disturbances. But right now, no named storms. That will probably change pretty soon, though, as we get that G storm up there. So I got a mixture of clouds and sunshine, just one or two isolated showers today. Your high of 91 will be in the lower 90s all the way through the weekend. Rain chances kind of go back up 30 to 40% on Saturday and then 40% for you on Sunday.